Cluck, 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 I'm the hen. Let's count together 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, peck with me. 4, 5, 6, peck the sticks. 7, 8, 9, feeling fine. 10 eggs in a line. 11, 12 seeds on the shelf. 13, 14, dancing queen. 15, 16, peck and clean. 17, 18, nice and green. 19, 20, hen feels plenty. 21, 22, pecking for you. 23, 24, peck some more. 25, 26, tasty mix. 27, 28, looking great.
29, 30, happy and chirpy.
31, 32, how are you? 33, 34, peck on the floor. 35, 36, clever tricks. 37, 38, don't be late.
39, 40, isn't it sporty?
41, 42, cluck for you. 43, 44, peck some more. 45, 46, fun little tricks. 47, 48, feeling great.
49, 50, hen feels nifty.
Yay! We counted 1 to 50.
With our hen so clucky and nifty.